Hey guys,
Hi.
what do we have now?
So this is actually a condiment, a spice, and it's called Gomashio. It's actually a Japanese condiment, and it's super easy. It's made with sesame and salt.
It's actually,
They're yummy.
It has vitamin T. And there's only really 3 things on the planet that have vitamin T.
Okay, so this is special then.
Yeah.
This is a good thing.
Sesame seeds, grub worms, and termites.
And the grub worm and termite recipe is not for a few more weeks. So
Let's stick with that.
okay, good. So, and I actually got a little top to my mason jar so that you can just shake it out. And you can put this on, you want some? Want to try some? You can put this on fish, on your vegetables, on your salad. It's so good.
It's like a toasty, salty, roasted sesame.
Toasty, roasty. It's
good.
toasty and roasty.
So you put it on fish and you put it on meat. and-
Anything. I always put it in a salad. I use a lot of it in my salad. It's really delicious. It's so simple.
Well, let's roll it and show them how to make it.
Super easy. Bye.
Okay. Okay, so to get the recipe,
Click the link below. Hey, Charlie. Click the link below. Below.
check it out.